If you're trying to level up without the hype, you in the right place. What's good? I'm Juan, and welcome to the Everyday Come Up. It's Mindset Monday. No hype, no quotes, just real perspective for people trying to move better. I want to talk to anybody who feels like they behind. You scroll online and it feels like everybody else is winning. They got new cars, new cribs, fancy vacations, these big announcements. And it's got you sitting there thinking like, damn, am I late? Am I behind? Here's the truth. Here's the truth. Hear me out. Here's the truth. You are not behind at all, okay? You're just building differently. Different timing, different responsibilities, and a whole different path. You're not on the same path that they're on. That don't mean that you're losing, okay? See, a lot of people skip steps just to look ahead. They flex the highlight, but they don't show the pressure at all. You don't know what somebody had to trade to look like they up. Alright? People out here doing some crazy stuff, selling their souls to look like they up. Comparison will rush you into bad decisions, wrong moves, bad money plays, burnout. Okay? Your pace, that is your protection. Okay? Moving slower don't mean that you're moving backwards. As long as you're learning, adjusting, and making smarter moves than last year, you're not behind. Alright? You just building something that can actually last. That's it. If this hit, drop a comment. Let me know what you're building right now. No comparisons. Make smart moves. And I see y'all on the come up.